let's continue with the next topic of the continuous series of 14 principles of Henry Fayol. As in my previous videos, we have completed 10 principles. Now the 11th principle is equity. Equity means fair treatment to each and everybody. In an organization, there are many employees are working, but it is the responsibility of the superiors to give a fair treatment to each and everybody working in an organization. There should not be any biased culture. Suppose if there are 10 employees in an organization and if the manager is having a biased culture with some of the employees like 2 or 3, in that case that particular employees will not contribute best towards the organization. Even they will be having a habit of being absent, or either they will leave the organization as soon as possible. So this culture of being non-biased will contribute best for the organization. अगर एक employee को हम properly treat करते हैं fair, kindness और justice के साथ में, तो वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा contribute करेगा and he will be a well devotee for the organization. So here the particular meaning is that, for example, there is a clerk and there is a manager. So the superior should treat them equally, rather they should not be dissatisfied. तो वो क्या करना चाहिए एक मैनेजर को? He should treat each and everybody in respective of the particular caste, creed, gender, religion, or any particular caste system. He should be treated as well as fair enough for the organization, because this will help in boosting the morale of the employees of each and every level. So this is a principle of equity. Moving towards the 12th principle, stability of tenure of personnel, which means personnel means employees, workers. The workers should not be frequently terminated or transferred. उनको एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन के अंदर जल्दी से जल्दी ट्रांसफर नहीं देना चाहिए. According to Fayol, he says that a proper time duration should be given to each and every employee regarding their position, regarding their department, regarding their roles and duties. Frequent अगर हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे, suppose एक employee is working in an organization in Jaipur and after 6 months he has been transferred to Chennai, and again after 1 year or within 1 year he has been transferred to Goa, which means he is not able to contribute his best. He is not able to learn the things on his job. He is not able to deliver the things, which means a stability should be there in each and every job regarding his working culture. अगर वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा deliver करेगा, अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपनी position रहेगा, he will contribute best for the company. कब कर सकता है? When he is given a stipulated time for the organization. This doesn't mean that he should not be promoted. He should not be given a transfer in an organization. Rather than the transfer can be made, but after giving a proper duration working hours, proper duration working days, proper duration working years, उसी के बाद में ही इसको transfer देना चाहिए at the stipulated time. So which means हमें employees को stable time duration देना चाहिए to work in organization. Point number 13 is initiative. Initiative means self-motivated, confidence, where a company should welcome the suggestions and feedbacks of the people working in the organization. The company should welcome all the feedbacks and suggestions from the employees working in the company. If a company does this, this will create a sense of belongingness for all the employees. उनके मन में आएगा कि हमारी कंपनी हमें टेक केयर करती है. And why these suggestions and feedbacks have been taken? For the better decision making or the formation of a new plan or the existing plans. जब कंपनी कोई नया प्लान कुछ लॉन्च करती है तो उसको अपने एम्प्लॉय से आइडियाज लेने चाहिए. But by the time, for example, in a company there are 100 employees. 100 में से हमने सबका फीडबैक ले लिया, but any one employee feedback has been selected. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बाकी 99 disobey करेंगे. Everybody should take proper part in the proper participation in the initiative level for decision making. जिसका भी डिसीजन फाइनल हुआ, जिसका भी आइडिया फाइनल हुआ, जस्ट एवरीबडी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर आइडिया. दिस इनिशिएटिव लेवल ब्रिंग्स अ क्लोजनेस, कॉर्डियल रिलेशन बिटवीन सीनियर एंड सबऑर्डिनेट. कंपनी के साथ में आपको जोड़ेगा, बिकॉज कंपनी ने आपको फैमिली की तरह ट्रीट किया है. सो दिस वाज अ कंसेप्ट ऑफ इनिशिएटिव. नाउ 14th प्रिंसिपल इज एस्पिरी डी कॉर्प्स, व्हिच मींस टीम वर्क और टीम स्पिरिट. हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर देयर आर मल्टीपल एम्प्लॉयज वर्किंग and every employee should be a bonding structure. उसको bond बना के चलना चाहिए. He should be or she should be a part of the organization. कभी भी एक manager को या एक employee को ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए that I have done it. Rather, they should focus on we have done it as a union. That's why it is known as यूनियन इज स्ट्रेंथ। यूनियन ही स्ट्रेंथ है, इकट्ठे रहोगे तो मजबूती रहेगी, कंपनी के टारगेट्स को आप इजीली अचीव करोगे। By this, it brings the two main things in the positive. First one is it brings a mutual trust, that is belongingness. Again, you have been treated as a family in the organization if you are united. And the second thing, it leads to better coordination and working for the company, and either you will help our co-members or co-participants or the co-workers. This will help in the proper teamwork, like example of cricket team. So these were the proper principles, as we have completed the 14 principles of Henry Fayol. Do visit the next video for the further topics. Thank you so much.